pretty these flowers are. I mean, come on, absolutely pretty. My favorite is right here. These are cracking my eye. So pretty.
Chronic symptoms. Trouble breathing every single morning. The SpO2 give us back the feedback to 20. So that looks like this. Okay, the overdose, right? Labor breathing? Well, yeah, get it out. This is going to be like under 94%. And they're going to hit one of the. The reason it's so sneaky, our CHF patient who is young in hospital, they're going to have vasoconstriction. Talking about it, voters have an MI. And family history. Crushing. What else? The patient may prescribe. They're in a stage where they're not able to think about it, having a heart attack. The only real difference between, possibly so everything that's actually air pressure is a collapse because the air die of obstruction.